Hello everyone. So welcome back again. So in this lesson, we will learn the application of Excel pivot table to answer some business questions. So the Excel pivot table helps us analyze and extract valuable insights from our data. So let's get started. So as we can see, we have a data set, the reject stats data set, and we have one, two, three, four questions. Okay, so we will be answering all those four questions. Okay, by using the pivot table and some other analysis as well. So let's get started. The first of all, let's see what is the question. First question. So first question is. So download the rejected loans dataset titled Reject Stats from the canvas and do an Excel pivot table by state. Then figure out the number of rejected applications for the state of Arkansas. So that is, count the loans by state and compute the percentage of total rejected loans in the US that came from Arkansas. How close is that to the relative proportion of the population of Arkansas as compared to the overall US population per 2010 census? Okay, let's try to answer this question first. Okay. Okay. So let's get started. So first thing first. So what I'm gonna do, I will select the entire table. Select. So as you know, let me start from beginning. So I am putting my cursor over here and then shift control down arrow. Okay, right arrow. Okay, so but see that it has not selected all of them because there are some blank. Okay, what should we do now? See that there are some blanks over here. Okay, so but in that case, what we do, see, think from here. Okay, I'll delete all of them. Okay, so again, all of these, all of these. Okay, okay. Now just delete. Okay, okay. We have a clean data set now. So 60, no, 645,000. Okay, okay. Observations. Okay, that's fine. Now let's start again. So rejected loans. So shift control down arrow right. Now go to insert pivot table. So, okay. Now we have the pivot table. So our question was, first question is, then figure out the number of rejected applications from the state of Arkansas. Okay, and let's see. So rejected loans and then state. Okay, we have this one. So what I'm gonna do, see, sort the value from largest to smallest. That's fine, and again show the values as percentage of grand total. Okay, now so what we can see that Arkansas, let's see, here is Arkansas. So it has, let's give it a color, different color. Okay, so it has 1.27% rejection out of total rejection for the United States. The Arkansas itself has 1.27% rejection, okay, from the grand total. So now, but so let's copy this one. Okay, so copy, and this is the question. So the first thing, the table. Okay, so the table shows us the okay table. So percentage of loan rejection by state. Okay, And we can see that Arkansas has 1.27%. And now the second part of the question is, so count the loans by state and compute the percentage. That's fine. Okay. Now, how close is that to the relative proportion of the population of Arkansas as compared to the overall US population as per 2010 census? Okay. Let's see. As per 2010 census, okay, what we have. What are the population? Okay. Uh, US. So population. Say population as per 2010 census. Okay. So this is the US population. Okay. So I'm taking another one. So US population. Okay. Let me make it bigger. Okay. US population. Then Arkansas population. Let's see the population of Arkansas. Okay, now Arkansas population. Okay, the population of Arkansas is this one. Okay, and total population of Arkansas divided by total population of US. Okay, this is the percentage. So, so the percentage would be equal to this one multiplied by 100. So that, and which is 0.9%. Okay, so 0.9% means, okay, 0.9% means it's very close to, so the, let's see, and see that the loan rejection rate is 1.27%. Okay, of the grand total rejection. And so the population of Arkansas is 0.94%. So the loan rejection, you can say that the percentage of loan rejection is close to the percentage of population of Arkansas. Okay. Now we got it. This is the answer. And let's go to the problem number 2. So it's actually the continuation of the problem number 1. So the same thing. Then figure out the number of rejected applications for each state. Okay, and now reorder these and make a graph ordering the states and the number of rejected loans from highest to lowest. We have already done that. Is there a lot of variability among the states? Okay, let's see. So what we can do. Now we already have this one. Okay, so this is the continuation of the from the past question. Okay, so we have already ordered, and as you can see that California has the highest rejection rate. Okay, 13.34% of the grand total rejection of the United States, and Idaho has the lowest one. Okay, and it is see that, so this one is 0.0004%. Okay, and California has the highest one. So what we can do, we can do the pivot table analysis, and let's go to the pivot chart. And okay, so we can show this one in a bar diagram. So, and if you go there, So what you can do still, okay, double click over here, and we can change the color of different state. Okay, say so that you can understand that. Okay, this one, not all. Okay, I want to give a color of. Okay, now it is selected. So we can say, okay, meaning California has the highest one, then we can do this one, and then lowest high, see, this one, okay. The highest, less highest, meaning the second highest, third highest in this way. So this is a very good way. So I'm copying this one, and so bar diagram, right? So this one, just paste this one as an image, okay, picture. So it will not, okay, break even if you change the formula in your pivot table, okay. And then this is what we have done. And the second one, bar diagram based on total rejections by state. Actually, this should be the same, exactly same. Let me delete this one. Total rejection, meaning let's see the total, show the values, no calculation, meaning this is the total rejection, okay, by state. And the same thing we will find, but it's just the total number. And for this one, let me do this one. Okay, this one is much another, actually another style. uh, we can, okay, see that still we can see the same thing. Actually, this is just the horizontal. So now we can see that, okay, California still has the highest, and then what, okay, so okay, other states, okay. So now what I can do, copy this one, and then by state, this is based on total. So again, what I'm gonna do, I paste it as picture, okay, as an image. So different graph as you can do, and we can do the pie diagram. So let's see how we do that, and that should be easy. Just delete this one again. Come over here, show the values as percentage of grand total, and go to the pivot table analysis and pivot chart again. So pie chart, okay. So how about this one? No, this is not good. I think this one is much better. Okay. So what we can see, this is the pie diagram, okay. And still we can see that California has the highest one, okay. You can change the color of this one, okay, individual segment, okay. And so this is the pie diagram. Again, insert as a picture, okay. You do it this way. Okay, now we're done with the question number 2. And let's go to the question number 3. So in this one, we have, like the analysis done before, let's scrub the risk score data first. Because our analysis requires risk scores, debt to income data, and employment length, we need to make sure each of them has valid data. Open the file and remove the observations that have a missing score or a score of 0. Okay, first thing first, let's go. Come over here and click over here, then data, then filter. Let's see if we have any 0. Do we have anything 0? Let's see. We don't have anything 0. Okay, if we don't have anything 0, we don't need to delete anything. Okay, do we have anything 0? I think no, we don't have anything 0, any 0. Okay, okay, and we don't have any missing. See, we don't see any blank as well. Okay, no blank. Okay, that's fine. And as you know, so let me see whether we have blank in any other. So do we have blank over here again? So let me see. And if we have a blank, So no, we don't have. Okay, let's filter all of the columns and just double check. Do we have anything blank? No. Here, anything blank? No. And zip code, any blank? See, nothing blank. And debt to income ratio, do we have anything blank? I think, let me see, just search for blank. No, nothing, no blank. Okay, just we should be fine. Okay, so now what we need to do, so let's get rid of the filter, and so assign each risk score to a risk score bucket following the criteria. Okay, so we'll be following this criteria. And what I'm gonna do, let me copy this one. Okay, so I'm copying this table. Okay, so it would be copy this one. It would be good for us to write the formula. Okay, so this is the formula we have. These are the criteria. We'll be using this one. So insert a new column, and this one is score bucket. Okay, so this one is score bucket, and now we will create the score bucket based on the values in column E. Okay, and let me give it a different color. So how about this one? Okay, gold color. Okay, this one is good. So now, okay, let me see. Okay, we can use the if, okay, if function. Now let's see how we do that. So equal to if, okay, so this one, okay, is greater than or equal to 850, then excellent. Okay, now let me write it over here. If, okay, again, so E2, okay, is greater than or equal to, so 750, it is very good. Again, if E2 is greater than or equal to 700, it's good. Again, if E2 is greater than or equal to 600, then it is fair. And if E2 is greater than or equal to 550, it is poor. Okay, and otherwise very bad. Now, how many conditions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. Now press enter. Okay, see, it has, okay, it has been created. That's good. So I'm just getting rid of this one. So we don't need that. So this is good. We have created the score bucket. And let's see what is the question. We have done this one, right? So run a pivot table analysis that shows the number of loans in each score bucket. Okay, that should be easy. Now again, let's go. So again, cursor is here. So shift control down, right. Okay. Then insert pivot table. Again, we have a new pivot table. And we have the, where is the risk score bucket? Risk score. But We have the risk score bucket. So where is that? Risk score bucket. Why I don't see that? Loan title, debt to income, risk score. Let me see. Oh no. But it should be right. It should be there. Let me try again. No. Okay. Shift control down. Right. That's fine. And let me see. Insert pivot table. Okay. But why we don't see the risk score bucket? No. Okay, we got it. Risk score bucket and rejected loans. Okay. Okay, that's fine. It's good. So let me format the cell number. We don't need the decimal places. Use the 1000 separators. Okay, that's fine. This is one, and then sort, largest to smallest. So fair, they have high rejection, the good, the poor, and definitely you can see, or we can do what's smallest to largest. So as we can see that the applicants who have excellent score, they have a very low number of rejection rates. Okay, and let me copy this one. Okay, this one, and let me copy this one. Copy, and what we can do. Loan rejection by score bucket. Okay, so and this one, okay, that is good. And graphical presentation. So if we do this, so what we can do, let's first show the values as percentage of grand total. It's very simple, small percentage. And again, let me see, format sale, percentage, decimal places, C4. How about this? Okay, yeah, this is good. This one is good. And let's go there. Pivot chart would be good enough. That's fine. Okay. As we can see, excellent has a very low rejection rate. Okay. And we can copy this one and paste over here. Okay. So we can write, so from the visualizations, we can see that the excellent score bucket has the lowest rejection rate, right? Okay, that's good. And which group has the least rejected loans, smallest, meaning excellent, right? And which group has the highest? The fair. Okay, fair has the highest rejection rate. So this is good for us as well. Okay, now let's go to the question number 4. Okay, so the question number 4, sort the data based on the debt to income ratio and prepare a bar diagram to present the data. And we need to create the high, low, and mid. Okay, so we need to create the high, low, and actually mid level. So now of the DTI bucket, right? So, and then, okay, now let's go to our data set again. So this is the debt to income ratio, the DDI bucket. Let's insert a column. Okay. So we will create the DTI bucket, and it would be based on the debt to income ratio. So if it is greater than 0.2, then high. And let's go to the formula bar. So if G2 is less than 0.1, okay, then low, otherwise it is mid. Okay, so 2, right? So high bucket, low bucket. Okay, it's copying. Okay, that's fine. Now again, let's go Shift Control down, right, and insert pivot table again. So once we are done with the pivot table, so debt to income ratio or tables, yes, we need that, and then score bucket. But where is that? Zip code score bucket, score bucket. Where are our other values? So we have the values. No, okay. So we have created the DTI bucket, but I don't know why I don't see that DTI bucket. So where is that? Delete. Okay. Let me see again. Shift Control. Okay. Let me see whether all of them have been selected. Yes, they have been selected. So now insert pivot table again. Where is the DTI bucket? Range. Search. DTI. No. What's going on? Okay. But I don't see that DTI bucket. I don't know why it has happened. Debt to income ratio score. Okay. Drag fields. Okay. Now the question is, okay, now I found a fix of the problem. So what we need to do, so first select the entire range. So our cursor is here. So Shift Control down, right, correct, and then go to Insert. So click over here, say Table, or you can just select the entire range and press the Control T. Okay, so I'm just clicking over here. Okay, so now see that this entire range has been created as a table. Now let's see. So again, let's change the color. Okay, so our cursor is here. Now Shift Control down, right. Again, go to the Insert Pivot Table. Okay. Now see that we can see that the DTI bucket and rejected loans. Okay, and now we can format the cell. Number, we don't need the decimal places. We can use the 1,000 separators. So we have this amount. Okay, now let's make it a table. Okay, copy, then go over there. So I have done this, and here it is. So it is saying suitable graph. So it would be easy if we just show the values as percentage of grand total and show this one in a pie chart. That would be good. Okay, this pie chart is much better. So as we can see that, okay, the high has the highest. Okay, and now you can also see, we can also display the labels, data labels. Okay, I'm copying this one and now pasting over here. So suitable graph means actually this is much better. Or you can also use so what I have done now. So let me paste it as an image, okay, as a picture. That is good. So this is how we can apply the pivot table to answer business questions. I hope you got it. Thank you so much.